How to turn off shuffle on Spotify. Let's see over here. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's begin. So once you are in the home page of Spotify, you will be able to explore to various music and artists of your interest. So in order to turn off the shuffle, first you need to select the playlist in which you want to make the change. Once you select and open up, you'll be able to see the playlist with various music. So in the middle section, you can see there is various options at the left and right hand side. At the right hand side, there is a cross arrow and a pause. So right now the crossed arrow is in green color, which means it's turned on. So in order to turn it off, you have to simply tap over there and the color has been disappeared, which means it has been turned off. So this is how you turn off shuffle on Spotify. I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any queries regarding this video, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.